So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to redeem a Tesco gift card online or in app, add balance, checkout and error fix. So how to redeem a Tesco gift card online or in app. Sign in to your Tesco account on the website or Tesco grocery and club card app, add item to your basket and proceed to checkout. Select gift card or voucher, enter the gift card number and PIN to apply the balance. Then complete payment or fix any errors if the card isn't accepted. So first method is how to redeem a Tesco gift card in the app. Open the official Tesco website in your browser and click sign in at the top of the page. Enter your email address and password, then log in to your account. Browse the website and turn the product you want to purchase to your basket. Once you finish shopping, click the basket icon and select checkout. So confirm your delivery address or collection option, choose a delivery slot if required and continue to the payment section. In the payment option, select pay with gift card or voucher. Enter the Tesco gift card number and the PIN, usually found on the back of the card under the scratch panel. So click apply to add the gift card balance to your order. If the order total is higher than the card value, you can pay the remaining balance using another payment method, such as a debit or credit card. Review your order details and click place order to continue the checkout using your gift card. So second method is how to redeem a Tesco gift card in the app. Open the Tesco grocery and club card app on your phone and sign in to your Tesco account using your email and password. Browse the store in the app and add item to your basket. When you are ready, tap the basket icon and select checkout. So confirm your delivery address, collection option and delivery slot, then proceed to the payment page. Tap gift card on voucher as the payment method, enter the gift card number and PIN, then tap apply. The gift card balance will be deducted from your order total. If the balance does not cover the full amount, add another payment method to pay the remaining balance. Review the order summary and tap place order to complete the purchase using your Tesco gift card. Thank you.